Hey guys, time for another quiz video, and today I'm going to be showing you my Rainforest Cafe and Toby Keith thingy pictures. So first of all, there's this one, then that one. There's sea life we couldn't get in there. It's like an aquarium in Detroit. Stars on the floor, merry-go-round thingy, a bull that you can ride. This isn't Toby Keith's restaurant. This is a truck on the wall. My Sprite. That and the little truck thingy right there. And there's my dad on his phone. There is, my dad wanted me to take a picture of that and that. There's blue chips and red chips. There's a guy standing there, Toby Keith. That's his thingy. I'm showing them my pictures. Okay. This is a little hangout thingy. That's his motorcycle. I don't know. Rainforest Cafe. There's an aquarium in there. Well, not an aquarium, but fish tank, a very big one. A mushroom. We're under a mushroom thing, and that. And there's elephants there, not real ones. Birds in a tree. Those are the chairs there. Chairs. I accidentally got someone's butt in there. There's fog. Right there. So yeah. I'll go back again. Gorilla, elephant, lion, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, I think I will see you all later. Bye!